Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. So this is going to be your daily reading for your love energies and for your general energies. So instead of your love energies today, I'm going to just give you the message from your person, okay? So I'm just going to tell you what your person wants to tell you for today. Okay, so let's start off with the general energies and let's move on to the message part later on. So for your general energy, Scorpio, some of you are walking away from emotions, you're celebrating something, just coming out of your comfort zone. Also, you're also like stuck. You were stuck, Scorpios, but right now you're coming out of that stuck energy also. So Scorpios, I see here mostly you guys are so perfect today. You're going to make good friends. You're going to have good company. You're also like making new friends, I see here for most of you. You are in the stage of coming out of emotions. You're coming out of any emotional situation. You just don't want to stay in any kind of emotional situation. I also see here, Scorpios, you're making time for your dreams to come true, like to buy something that would change your lifestyle or something like that. You're just wanting to do some new things. You're just encouraging your dreams yourselves, or just watching some motivational songs. You're listening to motivational speeches for you to be motivated and to achieve your dreams, okay? I also see here that you guys are... Today is going to be a very favorable day for you all, favorable day to make any, to solve any fights or to make any money transactions, or it can also be like to give people a lot of, so everything will be so favorable for you to do good things to people around you, or you can also be a kind of very giving. You're very giving, you're very kind hearted today. You're just helping a lot of people, I see here. So today will be really good for you to help people, because the universe is asking you to help people for some of you. So if you help people, it will really, universe will really like kind of support you, and it will really help you to overcome your sadness and all of that you've already overcome, and I see here, but also some of the parts that you've not overcome, it'll help you to overcome, okay? I also see here you might be dealing with a lot of situations. You're not talking to a lot of people, I see here, Scorpios. You're only talking to people who you really trust, and that's a good thing, right? Just not in this pig vibration. You're just in this lioness or in this lion vibration, where you're always single and you're always like enjoying life, and you're not expecting anyone to stay by your side, okay? We also have the man card. Someone is spying on you. Oh my goodness. So this person is spying on you, and they find out that, wow, you're just an amazing person. Oh my god. We also have the letter card. Someone might be communicating to you today, or you might be getting you might be getting a surprise note or a surprise letter from someone that you always wanted communication from, okay? I also see here that this person thinks it's kind of risky to text you. Still, they're going to text you, okay? This person feels like you've changed. Your old beliefs, your old ideologies have changed, and only when they feel that they're spying on you, guys. So this person, whomever you're dealing with, is continuously spying on you all the time, and they're sending you like love, light, and all of that. They're sending you love from a far distance. But as soon as they found out that you've changed from whoever you were before, and when they found out that you changed, they're definitely communicating to you or trying to communicate, but they know that you won't be so open towards them because they hurt you. So they know that you won't be open, and that is why we have the Child in reverse. But still, they'll be sending some kind of letter, or they'll be sending you messages, because when they think that you've changed, they'll send you. And we also have the Ring card. As you can see below the deck, we have the Ring card. So definitely a marriage is coming. So this person will definitely marry you, even after a lot of mountains, or you faced a lot of things in your life, guys. You faced a lot of downfall, a lot of not just like climbing, you also fell while climbing, and a lot of hurt, a lot of sadness, a lot of things you've both faced. And while you come into union, it'll be like the universe is telling you that you faced a lot of things. Now enough of all this negativity and all of those things that you face. Now is the time for union, and the universe will bring you both together. Okay, so let us see what your person wants to tell you. So instead of your love energies, I'm concentrating on what your person wants to tell you, my lovely Scorpios. What your person wants to tell you. Okay guys, so your person wants to tell you this. With everyone else, they've been with the romantic relationship or whatever it is, it was so unnatural. But with you, everything was so natural, and whatever situation they were in with you, it came out to be really natural. It was not dramatic, and that's what they wanted to tell you. With everyone else, it seems so dramatic, but with you, it was so natural, and it was like as though nothing dramatic. It was so free. Like with you, they were so free and all of that, and only with you they feel they're complete. Because dramatic, this person really doesn't like that dramatic vibe that they get from people, and they like you because with you everything seems to be so complete and so nice. Okay, so that is the message for you today. So they're with someone else maybe, and they felt like with that person everything is so dramatic, and they don't like that dramatic sense they're having with that person. And then boom, they think about you, they're like, oh my god, with my Scorpios everything was so natural, everything was so unique, and everything was so amazing. It's because with them I have a twin flame connection, and they're realizing that connection too. So guys, I also posted monthly reading in my other channel, so you can go watch that for the March month. Okay, so this is all I have for you all. So if you want a detailed reading, you can go watch that. So link of the channel is there in the description box below, and you can go watch that, guys. So this is all I have for you all, my lovely Scorpios. Your lucky color for today is pink, and your lucky crystal for today is amethyst. Bye guys, see you all tomorrow.